Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over some rain covers that are going to install over the doors, over the windows of our Tesla Model Y. These are going to help protect your car from the rain when you use your windshield wipers and spray a bunch of fluid. It'll help protect from that. Real excited for these. Let's get into it. As we do on this channel, we're going to start with unboxing, seeing what this actually comes with. I got these window covers from EV Base. I've worked with them a lot on a lot of different products. I really like them a lot. They have really fast shipping times, great customer service. So if you're interested in any other Tesla accessories, check out EV Base. So there you go. They really took some care in packaging these. You could see how really nice and well they were packaged. And this is what they look like. They're not a very super stiff material. They're kind of a nice and flexible plastic material. They also come with some pre-installed 3M adhesive all the way along the back here. And that's how we're going to install them. It's just pulling off the actual 3M adhesive, sticking them on the car. So I went with the gloss black version. I know a lot of the accessories I've done in my car have been like a matte black, but I wanted to try a gloss black one. These also come in a matte and a gloss carbon fiber. If you're interested in any of those kind of patterns or colors, you can do that as well. But really cool, really nicely packaged. It's going to fit over the whole front and back mirror, or excuse me, window of your car. So it's really neat. Let's head over to the car and we're going to go ahead and start installing these. Before we head over to the car, I want to talk quickly about adhesion promoter. These came with the package. They were taped up in the second one there, but it came with two little swabs of adhesion promoter. Whenever you do like a 3M accessory or like a 3M stick-on accessory on your Tesla, make sure you're using these adhesion promoter packets. I really like that they included these. These just help make sure that the bond is very clean, very secure, gets rid of all the oils, dust, residue on your car. So we're going to go ahead and start with these adhesion promoters over on the car. So opening up my adhesion promoter, I'm going to pull open one of these, and you'll see it's just like a kind of an alcohol wipe kind of swab, but it's got some chemicals on it. It's really going to help the adhesion. So I'm going to go along the entire kind of black trim is where these are going to install, and make sure it's really nice and clean before I actually do my install. Just like that. Next, the instructions call for installing this back piece first, and you can find it because it has this kind of angled cutout. It's going to be a mirror on the other side, but this is going to be this little angled cutout, which is going to match right back here on your actual Tesla. And so this is really just going to fit right up on that black trim, and it's going to look really nice and clean. It's going to blend into the car really well. It's not going to interfere with any of your windows or anything, because you know the windows drop down a skosh when you actually open up your Tesla doors. So it's not going to interfere with any of those. But you want to make sure you align these right so that you don't get any interference with your windows. So I'm going to start off by peeling off just a tiny bit of this back part of the actual cover for this 3M adhesive. Sometimes I struggle with this. Sometimes I use an X-Acto knife to get that little thing started, but this time I got it. So I'm only going to do a little bit, and I'm going to let that curl up like that. So this way I can align it really nicely. I'll do the front and the back, then I'll pull this out from the middle to get it stuck in there. Now you can see I have it started there and back here. Now I'm just going to go through, pull off that piece, and make sure I'm pushing it down all the way along the way. Nice, and that's the first part done. Figured I'd bring you guys in here for a quick close-up of how this first part looks. It just follows that natural kind of trim, the black trim on the Tesla. You'll see there's a little hole up here where the other piece is going to clip into to continue going down along the front here. So let's see how that looks. Let's go install that next piece next. So this is the other kind of piece here. And if you can see, there's a little tiny kind of notch right there. It's going to clip into the hole I just showed you up at the front there. So I'm going to peel off some of this adhesive. We're going to do it the same way. Peel off a little bit on the front and the back here, that side, and up here, which is going to go down by your front mirror. A good couple inches. And then we're going to start installing it. We're going to make sure it's lined up really well with this little notch. Hook that in so it's secure. Continue following that trim line of my actual Tesla. I'm going to come down here, make sure it aligns really nicely, which it does. And then just kind of press it on. Follow that actual trim, press it on. Very cool. Okay, you'll notice I didn't push super hard. I'm gonna come back with like a microfiber cloth and really kind of press on it the whole way. I don't wanna just rub my fingers across this and get it all fingerprinty. So I'm gonna do that next. So there you go. After just about 5 minutes, I was able to get them installed on the passenger side at least. It looks really sharp. I like how it doesn't stick out a lot and not have a big, huge, just kind of gap that sometimes you see with these kind of window rain guards. The transition here between the actual matte black of the Tesla and the gloss black of the window guards looks really sharp. It's not noticeable. Get you a nice close up there. And I think it looks really good. Coming all the way up here to the front, conforms all the way down right across the, right above your actual kind of gloss black window trim anyway. So it fits in really great. Now I think we need to test it. I want to make sure it doesn't bump into any of the windows as we open it. So I'm going to zoom out here and let's actually try this. See if you guys can see this with me. Let's go look at the top. So it falls down right away and right out of the way of all the things. See how your window kind of comes down and goes back up. So we'll do it again. See if we can do it kind of fast. So what do you get? About an inch gap there, kind of all the way around. I don't know if you can see that too well. There's about an inch gap from where the actual window comes down to where it actually closes. So see if we can do it even faster. Yeah, as fast as I think anyone's going to open a door. It's not going to have any issues rubbing into it. Try the back door. Nope, perfect there too. Looks great, looks cool. You can kind of see it working up there. I know it's not the best angle with the lighting I have in here, but kind of cool how it all works. I really like these. Try to get you one more close-up of the actual window opening, and you can see it just passes right below these actual window shades. See that? Yeah, pretty cool how it all works out. It's super minimal too. I like how they just really seamlessly blend in, and they're crazy secure. Like I'm kind of tugging on these pretty hard and they're not going anywhere. These won't come off when you're driving or anything like that. So off camera, I went ahead and did the other side. It's exactly the same installation process as this side. I really like these actual window covers, the rain guards. I think they'll work really well for what I want to do with my Tesla. Sometimes I like to have the windows cracked down to get a little bit of airflow inside the car. These will help me do that when it's raining. Another problem with Teslas is whenever you use your windshield wipers, you notice that so much of that fluid comes down and pools along kind of the inside of your driver's side or passenger side window right here in the front. It gets them all messy and gross. These should help divert some of that liquid off the car and onto the ground, so you're not getting that pooling feature when you're using your windshield wiper fluid as well. I really like this install. Super clean, super easy. Only took me about 10 minutes to do both sides. And they're super secure, right? These aren't going anywhere. I think they're really nice and secure. They look great on the car. They perfectly conform to its natural kind of curves and features. It really just accentuates your Tesla. If you're interested in picking up a set, I'll have a link down in the description. I got them again from EV Base, a big channel supporter. I really like working with EV Base. They have great customer service, super fast shipping times. So I highly recommend checking them out. Right now, I think they're about 160 bucks on their website. If you use my discount code right here on the screen, Gamble1080, saves you 20% right off the top. Brings these down to, I don't know, I think it was like $130 or so. Good value for what they are. They're a nice ABS plastic. They're really going to be sturdy and last you a long time. And they come in those 4 different colors we talked about. Gloss, matte black, carbon fiber gloss, carbon fiber matte. So you can really kind of customize it to your car. I do a lot of carbon fiber accessories. I think they look cool. So maybe the carbon fiber matte or glossy would look really great on your car as well. If you're interested in anything else I've ever done to my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront down in the description as well. Lots of cool stuff I review on there. And again, appreciate you guys coming back to the channel. Lots of cool videos coming out this year. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, as the YouTubers say, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have an awesome day.